How is a swaption different from a swap? A swap is a contract between two parties where they agree to exchange a specific cash flows at a regular intervals over a specified period. They are not an exchange traded, but rather traded on OTC. And swaption is a financial instrument that combines the features of a swap and an option. So basically, it gives the holder or buyer the option to enter into a swap agreement at a later date. And there are two parties involved in a swaption, the buyer and the seller. The buyer pays a premium to the seller, just like in a regular option contract, and has the right to decide whether to enter into the contract or not. In contrast, the seller of the option has an obligation to enter into the swap agreement if the buyer chooses to exercise their option. Once the buyer enters into the contract, it becomes similar to a typical swap agreement. And like swaps, swaptions are also OTC contracts. Understanding with an example, suppose a borrower A is currently paying a fixed rate of interest for a loan to a bank. However, A believes that interest rates may fall in the future, making floating rates more attractive. On the other hand, another borrower B is currently paying a floating rate of interest and has an opposite belief that interest rates may rise. Now, as A wants to pay floating and B wants to pay fixed, they decide to enter into a swap agreement. If interest rates rise in the future, then A will bear the loss as they are paying floating rates in the contract. On the other hand, if interest rates fall, then B will bear the loss as they are paying fixed and not floating. In the same example, if A had purchased a swaption instead of directly entering into a swap agreement, A would have had the choice to let the option expire and prevent losses when interest rates rise. The only loss would have been premium, which is usually nominal.